Hello everybody, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your economy mode in your 2018 Honda CRV. So, in order to access this feature, we must go to the shifter, and once we get to the shifter, there should be a button on the right side that says Econ. Currently it is on right now, but if you want to turn it off, just press on econ mode off, and then the leaf icon will disappear or appear. That indicates that it's on right now. And basically what it does is it modifies the engine so that you can maximize your fuel efficiency in this car. So yeah, that is it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.